In the previous lesson, we understood what keyword research is and why it is so important in SEO. Now, in this lesson, we are going to talk about types of keywords. Understanding keyword types is extremely important because not all keywords behave the same way. Some keywords bring a lot of traffic, while others bring more targeted visitors and better conversions. So if you want to do keyword research properly, you must understand the difference between these keyword types. Let's start with the two main categories. The first type is short-tail keywords. Short-tail keywords are very broad search terms. Usually, they are 1 or 2 words long. For example, SEO laptops, digital marketing, weight loss. These keywords usually have very high search volume because many people search for them. But there is also a big challenge. Short-tail keywords have very high competition. Thousands of websites are already trying to rank for these terms. That means it can be very difficult for a new website to rank on the first page of Google for these keywords. Now let's move to the second type, which is long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are longer and more specific search phrases. Usually, they contain 3 words or more. For example, Best Laptops for Students 2025. SEO Course for Beginners. How to Lose Weight at Home. These keywords may have lower search volume, but they come with 2 big advantages. First, the competition is much lower. And second, the search intent is much clearer. When someone searches for a long-tail keyword, they usually know exactly what they are looking for. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine someone searches for the keyword laptop. We don't know what they want. Maybe they want to buy one. Maybe they want reviews. Maybe they just want information. But now, imagine someone searches for Best Laptops for Students under $1,000. Now the intent is very clear. This person is likely planning to buy a laptop and is looking for recommendations. That is why long-tail keywords usually bring more targeted traffic and higher conversion rates. For beginners in SEO, long-tail keywords are extremely powerful. They are easier to rank for, and they allow your website to start getting traffic faster. As your website grows and gains authority, you can then start targeting short-tail keywords as well. So the best SEO strategy is usually a combination of both. Let's quickly recap. Short-tail keywords are short, broad, and have very high competition. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific, and usually easier to rank for. Both are important, but long-tail keywords are especially useful when you are starting a new website. So make sure you watch the next lesson as well. And I'll see you in the next video.